Chagrin Gas Heating and Air, a division of Chagrin Gas Company, is proud to introduce their expansion into Sussex County and surrounding areas, offering professional sales on the latest high-efficiency HVAC equipment with 0% financing available. You can count on Chagrin Gas Heating and Air to maintain and service your existing HVAC equipment in a professional manner, providing annual maintenance contracts and true 24/7 emergency service. Call Chagrin Gas Heating and Air today and let us service all your heating and AC needs.